having trouble seeing the road here. Some of these snow drifts. Snow's got to have what, 6-8 inches of snow on there. You gotta check this out. This never happened before. Look at the back of the trailer. There's a few guys here. Well, we made the trip out here. Some of the roofs had like 3 foot of snow on there. We took some seasonal roads to get here. It was pretty gnarly, barely plowed. It was like surfing with the truck through the snow. It was pretty cool though. It got a decent amount of snow. Some guy out there gonna drag his sled out there in the ice. Oh man, God bless his soul. But yeah, looks good. So we're starting here and I'll follow along. Hopefully it's good. Oh, it's so deep. That was crazy. Oh no! I think it's the longest wheelie I've ever done. I'm so scared to hit something though. Oh. I'm so scared. That's probably gonna be the best riding all day right there. Dude, that was probably the longest wheelie I've ever done.
The side though was deep.
Yeah.
That was me just standing there just...
Yeah.
Like 3/4 round.
That's awesome.
I could have done it too, I understood.
Yeah. I'm just so scared of hitting something. Oh my god, I'm terrified. Awesome. Well, as you can see, they got pounded snow out here. Make sure nobody's behind us. Got a couple feet of snow. It's pretty awesome. Trails are beautiful, obviously. Yeah. That's Bubba. He's playing off the trail a little bit here, just on the side. Try not to get in trouble. You know, we're opening up the trail for you folks out there. Try not to cause too much trouble here. But as you can see, they're not groomed yet. Well, maybe they are, but the trails are amazing. Look at that. Just a little turnaround spot. Try not to cause too much trouble here. Look at that, crazy. Look at the snow. That's awesome. Well, yeah, trails are cool. Definitely beautiful. Even if you got a trail sled, it'll be good for you. So I know there's gonna be some folks that are watching this that are gonna get angry because, you know, we're off the trail a little bit. But like for us on the mountain sleds, we like to play off in this. So we're actually not in the beaten path. Hopefully we make it easier for the groomer. We try to knock snow into the trail for folks. We don't drink, we don't do drugs when we're riding. I mean, we probably don't go over 40-50 miles an hour ever. We look for spots just to goof off a little bit. But definitely if somebody says stay on trail, we're not going against that. We're not trying to cause trouble, you know, but we stay between the markers. Like if there's a little bit of pow here, as you can see, you know, we're just playing in the pow a little bit on the side of the trail. Again, we're not trying to cause trouble. Maybe some wheelies here and there. So if you're watching this video, please don't get all angry and say we're off trail and are promoting it. We don't have cans on these sleds, so we try to respect the landowners and the local folks for letting us ride here. Thank you if you're letting us ride on your property to get through. We do appreciate it. But anyways, that's enough of me rambling about that stuff. Trails are pretty good. There's some wet spots. I bet the groomer will fill those in nice. Oh, that was the other thing. There's like some state land. We may get off a little bit further, but we're not like completely off bushwhacking the state land either. So again, if you see us off the trail, you don't see the trail in the picture. The trail is not very far away. It's state land, or we're staying between the red markers. So enjoy. Hopefully this inspires someone or get somebody out riding. A little bit of snow, huh? Look at that. That's awesome. Phew. Oh. Ah! Game over. It was like 3-4 feet, I swear. Even on the mountain sled, she was digging. I know! It's crazy. Huh? I know. Gnarly. Woo. Never seen this on the East Coast. A lot of watering holes. Sorry. Bubba's getting angry. I keep roosting him. Whoops. But anyways, this trail's pretty muddy. Look at the snow. Look at that, crazy. Gnarly. Gnarly stuff. Woo! Sled gone. Just like that. Shoo. Oh, I don't fall in there. Shoo. Nice little snowbank. Must be someone plowed or something in here. Look at the snow. Woo! That's awesome. Nope, maybe I have to give him a hand. Crazy amount of snow. Insane. Absolutely insane. Bonkers. Oh boy. You okay?
Yeah, I just see your track.
Ah, gotcha. Yeah. Bubba was blinded by the snow. Yeah. All right, ready? That was insane. Phew. That was bonkers. Oh! Phew. All right, here we go. That blasted Bubba like 4 times. Ah! Shit, that didn't work. Good? Crazy. Crazy. Woo! Careful, bub. That's insane.